So today I'm going to be going through the Sacco Cuba knife set. So for me it's really important that you're really comfortable using your knives, they're really comfortable in your hands. You don't really need very many knives. I think 3-4 really good knives is all you need. So I have the knife set with 3 knives and I've got a little extra one that I'm using today. I'm going to be going through the best way to kind of use them, the do's, the don'ts, how to hold your knife and how to feel comfortable. So these knives are quite different to any Western handle. So I think the most important thing, you want to have the top of the knife kind of coming into the ridge of your hand here. And you want to make sure, it will feel strange, but you want to make sure that you are holding it right, because this is really important for the angle of the blade, how you use it on the chopping board. You know, we don't want to be doing any kind of scraping across, because this is going to really damage your blade. You want to be looking after this knife. They are expensive, so hopefully this will make you treat them with loads of respect. And you want to look after the blade and make sure it doesn't get any scratches, chips, no damage on there when you're kind of cutting. You want to keep these for the rest of your life. They're very special. So I've got the top ridge of the knife basically pasted into the kind of corner of my hand. And then you want to have all your other fingers wrapped around the knife, so you're holding it really nice and stable. You should be able to kind of go up and down. I think people believe you need to go, you know, kind of chopping through things. We want to go for a backwards and forward motion here. So I'm going to test it on this aubergine. This is kind of, you know, we don't want to be doing any kind of like through the hands. You want to be, you know, really placing the knife on top of the aubergine, and then you're almost pushing forward. So we're using the whole length of the knife that we've got here. So we're not using a super tiny knife, we want to be using all of the blades, really making the most of the size of the knife that we've got. And really being able to kind of enjoy the sharpness of the blade.